After doing my research for over a decade, half a decade, I realized why so many people fail making money online after buying so many courses, going to events, all those things. And right now in this video, I'll be telling you what it takes and the number one reason why do people fail. And I'll be the right person because I've taken like so many programs, gone to hundreds of events, masterminds, events, all those things. And right now I'll tell you the number one most important thing is there is like there are like so many variables of this equation. It can be the mentors, it can be the students, and there are like hundreds of reasons why people fail. And the number one, the most important thing is like in today's world, when I got started into this online entrepreneurship like 4 years back, when I was like 18 years old, and I realized it is just one variable, like the one thing which will help me to make the money. It's like the blog, and I thought like if I have the great funnel, I'm going to make money. And I was thinking, I was searching for the new shiny object, and I realized I just have to fix this one thing. Then I learned in a very hard way. In life, it's not just about one thing. It's like you have to be like a T-shaped personality. Of course, like you have to be like super skilled in one skill, but at the same time, you must know like multiple things as well. The people who have succeeded, the greatest, the elites, like example Elon Musk, like people like who have achieved like great things, understand the foundations super strong. And the most reasons I did research, I took like feedback from so many people who have taken courses all the way from $10 programs to $10,000 programs, and I asked, why do you think you fail? I got like multiple answers, like because of the no foundations, no discipline, no strategy, no time management. I go to work, I come, kids are there, my wife is there, my husband is there, my brother are there, sisters are there, my pet animals come. Then and after a certain point, the biggest disadvantage in online programs is momentum. Like before you buy the course, you'll be like, I have to buy the course. After you bought the course, you'll be like, now I have the course, I can watch it anytime. It's just like buying a book. Like as per psychology, people have said and people have researched from so many years, you buy a book and you don't use the book for like you don't read the book for the next 3 days or 6 days, and there is like more probability, 90% chances that like you won't read that book for the next 6 months as well. Because when you lose momentum, momentum is the most driving force. If you lack momentum, like you won't implement. Like you should have a great vision, mission, and principle. Like that's why so many people fail even after buying courses, not having momentum. And people are not ready to put in the work. They think just by buying a course or a program will help you out to reach that abundance and like get you all the money and results. It's not going to happen. You have to put in the work, you have to put the skin in the game. Only when you put the skin in the game, you are going to succeed. No matter where you study, whether you go to Harvard, Stanford, or like join like a mastermind which is $100,000, it's not going to work. You have to implement. And and the most important thing is everyone is at different stages. Like right now, the problems which I was facing like 4 years back, I was struggling to make $100, then struggling to make 500, 1000, 5000, 10,000. Like slowly, every new set, when you go, like you face different problems. You just have to overcome that, right? And it's all about getting started. And 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 the biggest reason like why so many people fail is like not having a clear purpose and like super clear mindset. Because if you don't have like a super clear mindset, it is still going to be like so difficult for you to succeed. And not only that, it's not just mindset, there are like multiple pieces, like the foundation, like the strategy what you're applying, is that going to work or not. And it's not just about the information, you have to know what time you have to do that and when you have to apply that. If you learn something which is like which has got like outdated information, it's not going to work, right? Like you have to know what you have to use and when you have to use and when you have to apply it. I can't buy a dress which which will no, suit me when I'm like 70 years or like 50 years right now. I can only wear the dress and like books, the things which I am capable right now. Just take the action, see from your gut, see what you exactly want to take action and like start with that. And these are the main things, and that's why like so many people fail. They try to imitate someone who doesn't resonate with them, and who tries to just fall into a trap like shiny object, thinking this is the thing which they have to do. Instead of buying any program or course, double check that mentor or like coach. Does this guy preach what he does he has testimonials? Does he has 5, 10, 100? Has he invested in himself? Has he gone to events? And does he has like good success rate? See all these patterns, because by seeing patterns like you will come to know the real proof, right? Like because you are investing, like you have to make sure that like you do the good investment. And like even you have to see like hand holding. Many programs, there's very good programs, but only few programs show you like hand holding support. And it should be even practical advice, and not just like information overload giving you like a course which is like 300 hours or like 500 hours. How the hell in today's world like will get so much time to watch? The information should be like short, precise, crisp. If someone can't tell you exactly what to do in less than 20, 30 minutes, if that person takes like 100 hours or like 1000 hours, what's the point? Like it's like telling, if you want to lose your weight, like if you want to lose your weight by 3 or 5 or 10 kgs, it's like telling go and run for 100 kilometers every day, right? It's like very big, like very big things you have to do in order for you to get that success what you want to do. It should be all about least work, where you put the least work, least energy, and get the output. You just have to follow something like that. And discipline is the most important thing. Like as I've said, like momentum, discipline, all these things come at one place. And business is not just about marketing. See, there are like multiple pillars. I'm just going to tell you. Okay, I have learned after investing like so many thousands of dollars and going to so many events. I was always like curious when I got started. I thought like marketing is everything. Marketing, like selling, organic attraction marketing. And if I learn this, if I nail this, I can make so much money. But that's not actually true. Of course, you learn how to get clients, like how to sell. Marketing is just a piece of a puzzle. It's like the oxygen for your business, like the sales. The number one department, like marketing, and next the sales is another department, like where you get your customers, like where they pay you, all those things. Now the third thing is why so many people fail is the operations. The delivering the product is also like so important. Delivering the product which your customer asks, like giving them what they want, right? Like helping them reach the goal. Like if people are not able to reach your goal, nobody is going to take your program. People only refer you like only when they are getting success. And like so many of my clients are coming through referrals, because people are getting results and they refer it to other people. Like marketing, sales, operations, then HR, hiring a team, like what it takes like to hire people, retain people, and like give them what they want. And good incentive mechanism. After hiring, then comes the accounting, like exactly identifying the cash flow, the profits, the losses, and like what it takes, like the cash register rings, so that like you can do like much more investments on other things, high income generating activities, all those things, like auditing. And like there are like so many pieces. Like as I've said, it's not just about one thing. And about your like your personality as well, like the ability for you to talk in front of people, how confident you are you having the stage fear, are you having the camera, like talking in front of camera, do you fear? Like all these things matters. And most people wonder, like uh, I am running Facebook ads, like nobody is buying the program or the course or like my product. It's not just Facebook ad. ad is just like 5% of your entire puzzle. Your funnel is also like 5%. Like your email autoresponder also is like only 5% of your success. There are like multiple pieces, like your personality, like your confidence, your mindset, how well you show up for your webinar, how well you talk, like how well you dress, like how good information knowledge you are giving at least possible time, helping people to get results. And the most important part of the equation is getting people results. In fact, like all these are like a bus taking you to reach your goal. Of course it helps you, it's all like adding fire to existing fire, but the main fire should drive from you, from your gut, like doing exactly you just have to help people results. Nothing else matters. In fact, you don't need any funnel, like you don't need anything out there if you are able to help people to get results much faster and quicker. People are going to come come near your house, knock your door. Even if you put a door, like even if you put a sticker near your house and tell seats are filled, you can go, still people come, because if they know like you are valuable, you help people to get results much quicker and faster, right? You just have to focus on your customers. That is the most important thing. Focus on your customers, give them what they want, and then build systems, build like proper case studies, and that's how like you will be able to grow. And focus on the most important thing and delegate, eliminate. And that's what I always right now do. Eliminate all the things which is like not so important, like cooking, laundry, and other all like small income generating activities. As a CEO, as a business owner, you have to do the most important thing. Don't become a person for attention to detail and a perfectionist, like seeing all the things, is it like perfect, is it like nice, like that. Become a shabby performer. I mean, like, take imperfect actions, because there is no perfect time. Just you have to get started, and just you have to put in the work, and just you have to get started, right? Everything comes up. Just be following, create a proper systems, proper SOPs, and that's how like you'll be able to scale. And I am planning for doing a virtual event or a mastermind. Do let me know how many of you guys will be interested. I will show you like the ways how you can save your time in 100 different ways, how you can get like more energy, and like how you can utilize your time to the fullest potential. As a CEO, as a business owner, as a person who wants to make a huge impact, you have to focus on the most important thing. Give everything to your team. Teamwork makes the dream work. And follow a proper systems, processes. If you have everything at place, like the marketing, like one guy takes care of marketing, another guy takes care of sales, and keeping things very simple and clear. Most people try to overcomplicate. They think they have to become the Superman or the Spider-Man or the all-rounder. It is very difficult to become all-rounder. Of course you can become, but it takes like more time, more efforts, all those things. Instead, focus uh, um, on the business, not into the business. Like, bring the right people, learn the basic skills, and delegate it. I'm not telling delegate everything. You can't delegate the mindset part, you can't delegate the belief system part, you can't delegate the architecture, how you exactly you have to follow. Apart from that, all the things you can delegate, like running Facebook ads, like editing videos, that's not the most important thing. You can get it done from somebody out there. There are like so many people out there. You just have to focus on the most important thing, and that's how like you will be able to serve your customers much more well, and do the most impactful, high income generating activities, and like high performance, like KPIs. You have to measure it, track it, you have to know exact system, how to follow it. And that's what I have been learning, because I just don't want to teach someone do something which is like common, which everyone knows. There should be like something different. And the biggest problem I have seen is like a lot of people know like one part of the variable, they have nailed it, but they are stuck somewhere because they're not following a proper systems. Because humans fail, systems doesn't fail. it's like computer. These are like supercomputers. If you follow a proper system in place, like you can scale to the moon. It's all by having a great team, proper systems and proper processes, and delegating and eliminating ruthlessly. And that's how like you'll be able to grow to 6, 7, 8 or even 9 figure entrepreneur. I've interviewed like so many people, all great entrepreneurs. Delegate, have a proper system, have a proper diet, like rituals, all those things. And do let me know how many of you guys will be interested if I am doing a mastermind where I will share all the things which took me like so many hours of my efforts, like showing you in a very, very, very simple way, and show you exactly what are the potholes or like what are the places which you have to stress. And like so many mistakes I have done, okay, so many, which obviously every entrepreneur while starting will do that. I'll help you to cut short your learning curve and tell you exactly do this, go here, take like GPS, go left, then go straight, then right, then go, to help you to cut short like almost 90% of the chances like where you may fail, by showing you exactly. But by doing that, like you can save a lot of time and efforts and impact more people life, like coaching, doing more, so that like you can make a world a better place to live. And that's why it's so important to follow a proper system, processes, all those things. Do let me know who is interested to the virtual event or the mastermind. Do comment, let's chat. And what was your biggest takeaway from this video? Do let me know, and I hope everyone is having a great day. And thank you so much for watching. Namaste, bye bye, have a great day, bye.